In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete PayPal Business from JotForm. If you're looking to change or remove the payment method from your JotForm without a hitch, you've come to the right place. Let's get started and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to jotform.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to access the JotForm homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll have access to all the forms you've created. Next, you'll need to select the specific form from which you want to remove PayPal Business. You'll see a list of your forms displayed on your dashboard. Browse through your forms, and once you've identified the one you need, click on it to highlight it. Then proceed to click the Edit Form button. This will take you into the form editor where you can make the necessary changes. Now that you're in the form editor, the next step is to locate the My Products field. This is typically where the payment options are configured. Click on this field to bring up its settings. It's crucial to ensure you're clicking the right section to avoid any confusion later. Once you have the My Products field selected, look for the option labeled Payment Properties. Click on this to open up the details related to the payment setup. Here, you'll be able to see and manage the payment integrations you have associated with your form. Within the payment properties, you'll find a section called Payment Connection. This is where you'll see PayPal mentioned as the current payment gateway. It's a straightforward setup, and you'll easily spot it within the list of integrated options. To remove PayPal Business from your form, you simply need to click on the Delete button. This action will disconnect the PayPal integration from your form, effectively removing the payment option. It's a quick step, but make sure you want to proceed, as this will disable any PayPal transactions through this form. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted PayPal Business from your JotForm. By following these steps, you can manage and update your payment methods on your forms as needed. This is particularly useful if you're transitioning to a different payment provider or if you no longer require PayPal as an option. Remember, making changes like this can impact how your users interact with your form, so it's always a good idea to inform any stakeholders of the update, especially if your form is live and actively being used. If you need to add a different payment method, simply go back to the payment properties and select a new integration to suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more tutorials or reach out to JotForm support for additional help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy form editing!